welcome to All Things Flossy. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and thank you all for sticking with me. So I know most of us are trying to eat healthy, we're trying to make healthy choices. One of my very good friends introduced me to spaghetti squash. I love this spaghetti. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make the spaghetti squash and how I roast the seeds and eat as a healthy snack as well. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Thank you. Let's get right into this video. Here we have a spaghetti squash and the strands looks just like a regular spaghetti. You can enjoy it with any sauce you want. So here is my spaghetti squash. It's kind of very hard to cut through. So I'll pause the video, go cut it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it here in half. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking out the seeds from it with the other material, and we're not going to throw the seeds away. We will be using it. Don't forget, we will be using the seeds as a healthy snack. So here we have all the materials taken out of it. What I'll be doing is I will be spraying my oil into it. You can actually use olive oil, whatever oil you have. I'll be using the canola oil. You can spray, and I will spray all into it. I will add a pinch of salt to it. Now I'll sprinkle some black pepper. This will be going into the oven. I'm gonna bake it for about 45 minutes at a 375 degrees Fahrenheit heat. You have to periodically keep checking so you don't overcook it. After 45 minutes, it's all cooked. I checked with my fork, and this is really hot. So with my fork, I'll get ready to get the strands out of it. So now the strands coming out, it's getting to look like spaghetti. The strands are looking more longer, more like spaghetti. You can cut it horizontal, you're gonna get finer, longer strands too. And this has a gentle smell too, very gentle. Be sure not to overcook it, then you're not gonna have the crunchiness out of it. Have I overcooked it? Yes, I have. It kept breaking up, the strands were no longer. I didn't really enjoy it, so just keep checking with your fork to see if it's cooked. Isn't this beautiful? This looks just like spaghetti. If you don't tell someone this is not spaghetti from afar, they will not believe it. So can you see the tiny black pepper in it? Add some taste to it. So I had some leftover spaghetti sauce at home, and of course I cut out some scallions. You can enjoy with whatever sauce you have. All I would say is just make your sauce tasty, and you're really gonna have fun with this spaghetti squash. So here we have a look-alike spaghetti, but this was made out of a spaghetti squash, not a regular traditional spaghetti. This is a great substitute and very good for people that want to lose weight. I hope you give this recipe a try. So for my other half of the spaghetti squash, this is what came out of it. This is huge. This is a lot, and it can feed about 3-4 people. So here are the seeds. I have washed it out, and I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use, like I said, any vegetable of your choice. I'll be sprinkling on some black pepper. I have here my cayenne pepper. and now mix it all together. You can also choose to add some salt to it. So on a baking sheet, I will spread my seeds out and let it bake evenly. So I'll bake this for about 30 minutes on a 350 degrees heat. And here is what I have after 30 minutes. So what I did was 15 minutes I went in there and I turned it out till everything was browned up. So this is a healthy snack choice. It's good for 2 people out of 1 squash. So to my Ghanaians, this tastes like inchiriye. You know inchiriye? Well, this tastes like it. So what I did was I added some cashew nuts to mine and I really enjoyed it. I hope you give this recipe a try and thank you for subscribing. Until my next video, love God, love people, and stay graced up.